Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to free up storage without removing apps. So let's start with removing cache. Let's open the settings and here we have to scroll and find the apps. So here I highly recommend to go through all of those apps, especially those which you're frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage. Moreover, they occupy the memory, so I highly recommend to simply remove them. All you have to do is to tap on the app, go to the storage, and here we've got the cache. So just tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Tap on OK and your device will immediately remove it, and thanks to it, it will release some memory, obviously. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check the security. This app is pre-installed on this device by the developer, so for sure you've got one. Just find it and enter it. Here we've got different sections which I highly recommend to check. So first of all, the cleaner, after tapping on it, your device will simply count the memory which it can remove. So here we've got cache files, but those cache are not the same as I've just shown you. As you can see, we've got only like two of them. Two sections. We've got also residuals and memory. So all you have to do is to simply tap on cleanup. Your device will clean it up, obviously. Here we've got something called boost speed, so also we can enter here. We've got running third-party apps, running system apps, and locked running apps. So you can simply tap on boost speed and your device will close everything which is not really necessary. Let's go back. No. And here we've got something called deep clean, and I highly recommend to check it, because here obviously we've got the option to uninstall apps, but we have to ignore it because we are trying to release memory without removing apps. So you can, for example, check deleted photos. Delete photos, where you've got, for example, the accidental photos. I believe that here you've got also the duplicated photos option if you've got that kind of things, and you will be able to simply remove them. So highly recommend 10 out of 10 to check the deep clean, because it will help you. Another thing which I highly recommend to do, and that was not mentioned in the security and in the cleaner, is to check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it, but obviously it is saved, so it occupies the memory. To check your downloads, you have to enter your file manager, and it doesn't matter whether you're using the file manager which is provided by the developer or file manager which is any kind of third-party manager. It's completely up to you. Just enter file manager, give the permissions. All right, we've got the recents here, but I wanted to check the downloads. Oh my god, the ads inside the system. That's wild. Okay, so here we've entered browse, and here we've got download. In my case, I do not have any kind of things here, any kind of files, but I highly recommend to check yours and remove those which are large or they are not necessary, those which are duplicated, etc. And as a last thing, I would recommend the backup. I will not show you the full path, the full operation, because we've got a separate video of how to do it. So I will not show you that. However, I highly recommend to consider the backup. You can use any kind of platform you wish. Basically, you will be able to save your photos and videos, which usually are quite heavy, in a completely different place in the cloud, thanks to which you will be able to remove them from the internal storage and obviously release some memory. And another advantage of that solution is that you will still be able to access your files even if something's wrong with your device. So for example, if it was stolen, if it was, I don't know, destroyed, whatever, you will still have the access to your files. So the backup is a really great thing, great opportunity, and I highly recommend to consider that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.